Challenging times are a part of life. Though you might be feeling exhausted and even powerless while trying to restore your energy, you need to remember that it happens to everyone. It could be a difficult financial period, a complicated situation in your close relationship, loneliness, health issues, a harsh defeat, or a failure that has drained you of your energy. But either way, it's temporary, and restoring energy is an important next step. Everything in life has cycles. Sometimes you just feel down, and that's okay. But eventually, the wheel turns, and you will get back on the horse.